And the problem with running offers on one network, and this is something I want to talk about real quick, is that you don't really know if it's your traffic or the offer. What is going on, guys? And welcome back to another video. Really happy you're able to join me today. And today we're going to be discussing alternatives to MaxBounty. And this is a very important topic because you don't really want to put all your eggs into one basket. And now we all know MaxBounty is great. It's one of the best CPA networks out there. It's very reputable. It's legit. They have great customer support and all that. I have been using them for a while now, have nothing but great things to say about them. But it's also very important to diversify and try other networks with other offers, because affiliate marketing and CPA marketing is really a big field, right? And you don't want to limit yourself to one network that only supports certain types of offers, for instance. And so it's kind of important just to see what else is out there, right? Maybe you're going to have a better success with another type of monetization offer. Maybe another network is going to have better customer support for you. Or maybe, you're just going to have better conversion rates with a particular network. So it's always important to really go out there and try different networks and see what's happening. Because marketing and affiliate marketing is really about testing. It's about embracing the new. And so we're going to be discussing 7 alternatives to MaxBounty, and these mostly focus on CPA, although they also support other monetization methods like CPC, display stuff, regular affiliate, commission-based type monetization strategies. And so I'm gonna walk you through the different networks, and I'm gonna tell you some of the pros, some of the cons, my own personal thoughts, and whether you should join them and try them out. All right. So the first network I want to talk about is CPA Grip. Now, this is a fairly well-known network in the community. A lot of people are talking about it. A lot of people are promoting different stuff on it. And CPA Grip is really all about, it's really heavily about content locking, right? Right on the front page, you see that they basically tout the benefits: content lockers, URL download lockers, video lockers, offer walls, virtual currency. And they also tell you right away, if you're a publisher, you can learn more, monetization tools. So if we click on monetization tools, once again, they really want to drive home the fact that they are really big on content locking, URL, video locking, offer walls, virtual currency. And so this is an important benefit because, as you know, MaxBounty does not do content locking because content locking is a form of incentive CPA monetization. MaxBounty is not a huge fan of incentive offers. But on the other hand, if you have a piece of content, you want to lock it and you want to monetize it, that could be, a piece of like text on the website, or maybe a file download, PDF file, video locking, offer wall, virtual currency. The options are really limitless. You can monetize any kind of content, and you can monetize it fairly well. Now, I do have an extra video on my channel that I specifically talk about content locking. So if you're interested in this, definitely take a look at that. But content locking is really solid way to monetize anything, because maybe there's, you could look at Google Trends and see that there's a specific piece of content that's trending. You could create your own article about it, blog article or something like that, direct traffic to it, and then monetize a piece of it. Or you can have maybe a long blog article, and that's free, but maybe you can create a PDF around it and offer a download. And in that case, you can actually put it behind an offer and content locking. And before they're able to download the file, they need to actually complete some action. So this is a very solid way of promoting offers, of monetizing different pieces of content. Okay. The second network that I want to talk about is called OG Ads. And OG Ads is also a content locking network. It's kind of similar to CPA Grip. They claim that they're the #1 mobile content locking network. And obviously, this is something you'll have to kind of judge for yourself. And they do mobile content locking. They also do desktop content locking. And so you can scroll down. You can lock content. It's fully optimized, fully customizable, user-friendly. They also have mobile rewards, which is a white label solution to launch your own points wall platform. Mobile rewards can be used to lock content or provide rewards. And so this is also a form of content locking. You open content, you get some points, and then you can do something with that points. Maybe you can exchange those points for something. It really depends on how they have it set up. And they also have offers for social influencers, okay? So if you have maybe a big Instagram Instagram account, or maybe you have a big Facebook page or like a huge YouTube channel, you can promote various offers for shout outs, right? And now you can earn money with huge payouts starting from $11 to $75 per conversion. And so they claimed all these numbers, dashboards, things like that. You can go to publishers, read more about it. And this is another network that's very different from MaxBounty in the fact that they're focusing on content locking, right? It's kind of a niche. This is their niche, and this is something that they're kind of going after. And so if you're interested in content locking, I would basically create an account on CPA Grip as well as OG Ads and just see the offers. Maybe there's a better offer, and you can also test out the offers and see the payouts and really compare and see where the action is. See which network is better. The next network I want to talk about is CPALead. Now, CPALead is a fairly well-known network, right? There's a lot of people know about this network, and they also claim to be recognized by Inc. 500, right? So this is not some fly-by-night network that, exists on the fringes of advertising. This is a fairly kind of well-known network, and if you're a publisher, which we are in this case as affiliates, they have display ads, affiliate products, mobile monetization, media buyers, and things like that. And so if you are interested in, let's say, monetizing some kind of mobile offers, maybe you're doing mobile games, right? As a way to, monetize. You have maybe a free game and you want to monetize something, or you have some mobile app and you want to monetize. And they also have over 100 affiliate products. And they say all affiliate products are exclusive to CPALead. And so this is another reason. I personally have accounts on various, networks like ClickBank, MaxBounty, things like that. Also, a lot of other ones. And so I always comparing offers, right? I'm always comparing offers. And CPALead, I heard really good things about it. I have not personally used it. I don't know much about it, but I have heard very good things about it. And this is something that is definitely worth getting into, right? And they have display ads, affiliate products, content lockers, again, weekly pay. So if you're into content locking, right, you want to try out different offers, it's definitely worth it to sign up with multiple networks and to see what they offer. The next network I want to talk about is called ClickBooth. Right, and ClickBooth is a multi-monetizable network, right? In the sense that they support CPA, CPL, CP, CPI, CPS. So you can monetize cost per action, right? So you can have affiliate offers where you are getting paid when somebody buys the product, but there's also cost per action, and this is cost per action, cost per lead. A lot of other monetization methods, and they are based in Florida. And so you can definitely, it's an American company, it's a legit company, they've been around for a while. And so you can definitely, obviously we cannot see the kind of offers they have, but I have also heard really good things about it. I have a couple of friends that promote some offers from here. And this is something that you should definitely get into. They're one of the top 5 alternatives to MaxBounty, or really top 5 CPA-based networks, and you should get into that. Join them, see what they're all about, learn more about what they offer. Founded in 2002, right? So they've been around for almost 20 years. And so this is something you should get into. The next network I want to talk about is Let's CPA. Now, this network, I got to be honest, I don't know much about it. This is something that I learned about recently. But they say it's a sweepstakes-focused affiliate networks running CC submit offers. And what I like about this is they're really focusing on one area. And immediately, if you have sweepstakes traffic or CC submit traffic, then you can try some of the offers here. And let's say you're running a bunch of offers on MaxBounty and you're running sweepstakes. And the problem with running offers on one network, and this is something I want to talk about real quick, is that you don't really know if let's say you're running offers on sweepstakes offers on MaxBounty and it's not converting, you're not having much success with it. You don't really know if it's your traffic or the offer, or maybe the actual the end user, the advertiser, maybe they have blocked you as an affiliate or their entire network. That does happen. I actually have a video about that. You can search my channel. It's called about scams. And what they basically do is that if they feel they're not getting quality traffic, and this is applicable to to any network really. On MaxBounty, you can see that kind of thing, where you're promoting various offers, and let's say you're promoting one offer and you're sending them lots of high quality traffic, maybe Facebook traffic, and it's not converting at all. And then you move to another network and maybe you're promoting a very similar offer, and then it starts to convert. And so this is one area where when I see that this network is focused on a specific area, then it's a good idea to sign up with them. Sometimes I do sweepstakes, but I haven't signed up with them yet. And in the future, if I'm focusing a lot on sweepstakes offers, I want to see what they can offer, right? Because this is all they do. All they are doing is a sweepstakes focused affiliate network. They may have other offers, but this is a really good thing, because you can build a relationship with the affiliate manager, talk to them, see what's going on, see why your offers are not converting, and they may be able to help you better than somebody like MaxBounty, which is a much bigger network that has a lot of different affiliates. And so this is something that might be worth looking into. And also you can find maybe even the same offers or similar offers that are live on MaxBounty and live here, and see where the conversion rate is better. You can be surprised, and I can almost guarantee you that you might be very, very surprised with the conversion rate, even for the same offer with different networks. Okay, so this is something, if you're really big with sweepstakes, CC Submit offers, then I would definitely sign up with them and see what they can offer you. The next network I want to talk about is FireAds. FireAds is a network I was recommended by somebody who watches my YouTube channel. They actually reached out to me and said, hey, you should try out FireAds. And this is the best affiliate network that they claim. To create your free account today and join the best affiliate network. FireAds is a place for professionals as it is for people who make their first steps in affiliation and earning online. And so I don't know much about this network. I have heard good things about it. I have heard that some people are converting better. And like I said before, it's definitely worth signing up and seeing what kind of offers that they promote, because different networks, they promote and they're kind of targeted for different kinds of traffic. And so I would definitely sign up. They've been around since 2011, so they've been around for almost 10 years. They have paid 10 million plus to publishers. They have 220,000 registered publishers. They do CPA, CPS, CPL, and CPI, pay per install. So if you have some apps, you want to promote some kind of mobile offers, they can do that as well. And so I would definitely try them out if I want to try something different, right? Something that MaxBounty does not offer, or maybe it does offer, but maybe I want to try parallel offers with a tracker, right? And that's kind of the beauty of using a tracker, is that you can send them to multiple offers, the same traffic from the same landing page, and you can see what happens. And last but not least, I want to talk about another network, and I don't really know how to pronounce it. I guess it's Gotcha or Gatsa or something like that. And so I have heard really good things about this affiliate network. Honestly, I have not tried them myself. I'm just kind of passing on the information. I know a couple of people that are running offers, and they have nothing but good things to say about this particular affiliate networks. And so I just want to bring it to your attention. This is not a brand new network. It's been around for a while as well. They also have careers, obviously they're doing well, right? They are looking for people to join the team and all that. But as an affiliate, I would definitely be signing up and seeing what kind of offers are available. And really, this is something I really want to talk about, is that you want to have accounts on multiple networks, because you want to be testing not only different offers on the same network, such as MaxBounty, but you also want to be testing different offers across different networks. And this is very important, because there could be could be the same, pretty much the same exact offer, but it could be on different networks, and you will have different results with that offer, even though it's on the same landing page, it's being promoted by the same company, by the same advertiser, but you might have different results depending on the network. So on MaxBounty, you might be running that offer, and you're not getting any results, right? You're having very, very poor conversion rate. And I get emails like this all the time from people. They're like, James, I am running this offer, but I've sent already 100 clicks and I have not got a single conversion. And if you did that, that's really bad. You should not be sending 100 clicks, 100 visits to their offer without getting a single conversion. If that happens, you should definitely stop sending traffic, because you should be getting a lot more frequent conversion. If you have high quality traffic, you should be seeing like 20 to 30% conversion, if not even higher. And so a lot of times, maybe your traffic is probably good, but maybe there's something with the network. Maybe the advertiser is shaving the traffic to that particular network. It happens all the time. And that is why you should have multiple accounts. You should be testing different offers, but also different networks. Same offer on different networks, but also different offers on different networks. And this is very, very important. And this is something that I do all the time. I have accounts on ClickBank. I have accounts on ShareASale. I used to have account on PeerFly. I have account on MaxBounty. And sometimes you can find the same offer on different networks. And you will be surprised that the offer may convert differently on different networks. And so as an affiliate marketer, you don't want to be just focusing on MaxBounty. You want to be focusing on different things. And that is why I wanted to kind of share with you some 7 possible alternatives to MaxBounty. Now, you do need to be approved for these networks, just like with MaxBounty, but that approval process could be easier, could be a little bit harder, depending on the network and obviously depending on your experience. And so if you are curious about how to get approved on these networks, and this advice is really applicable to all networks, regardless of which specific network it is, then definitely check out one of my videos on the channel. It's about being approved on MaxBounty, and you can find it by searching my channel. And this is all I have for you today. I just wanted to share with you different affiliate networks, different CPA networks, because I don't want you just to be promoting a single network. I don't want you just to be on MaxBounty and kind of be locked in there, because the affiliate world is very wide, and there's a lot of ways to monetizing things. Like things like lockers, things like file lockers, content locker, download lockers, video lockers, right? This is something even MaxBounty does not offer, and we don't know if they'll ever offer something like this. And so it's really worth the effort to go out there beyond MaxBounty and to see what else is out there. And so you have ClickBank, you have ShareASale, but these are more affiliate networks. The ones I talked about are mostly CPA networks. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave your questions and comments below. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you're interested in these kinds of affiliate topics, strategies, promoting different affiliate offers, and everything really to do with digital marketing, affiliate marketing, but really about digging deeper and understanding the traffic source, understanding the offer. Really, really solid advice that you may not find elsewhere. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.